Yuvraj Singh, father of former cricketer Yuvraj Singh, has accused MS Dhoni of destroying his son's career and now takes a dig at Kapil Dev. Yuvraj claims that if Dhoni had supported Yuvraj, he could have played for the Indian team for another 4 to 5 years. Yuvraj also mentioned that Kapil was behind his exclusion from the national team in 1981. He further compared the trophies won by Yuvraj and Kapil, stating that Yuvraj has 13 major trophies, while Kapil only has the World Cup. Yuvraj has been targeting Kapil for a long time and refuses to forgive Dhoni for what he did to his son's career. India wicketkeeper Dinesh Karthik has voiced his support for Babar Azam, stating that nobody can doubt his quality as a batter. Karthik believes that Babar is currently under a lot of pressure and should reconsider his decision to lead the Pakistan team. Babar had recently returned as captain, but Pakistan's performance in the T20 World Cup 2024 was disappointing. Karthik also mentioned that Pakistan's early declaration in the first test led to their defeat against Bangladesh. England secured a 190-run win over Sri Lanka in the second test, thanks to a 5-wicket haul by Gus Atkinson. Atkinson's impressive performance in bowling and batting earned him a place on the honours board at Lord's. With this victory, England moves to 2-0 ahead in the 3-match series against Sri Lanka. Ajinkya Rahane scored his 40th first-class century, his first for Leicestershire in a county championship division to contest against Glamorgan. His knock of 102 runs in the second innings helped Leicestershire make a comeback from a tricky position. Rahane's century drought of nearly 2 years ended in England. Despite not being selected for the upcoming Duleep Trophy, Rahane's good performance for Leicestershire will boost his confidence ahead of the domestic season. Pakistan's fielding woes continue as Liton Das scores a century and leads Bangladesh's comeback in the second test. Pakistan dropped 4 catches and struggled to contain Liton and Mehidi's partnership. Bangladesh's top order stumbled against Khurram Shahzad and Mir Hamza's impeccable bowling, but Liton and Mehidi dominated the pace and spin to raise a century partnership. Pakistan had capitalized on dropped catches to score 274 on day 2 after a rain delay in Rawalpindi. Yuvraj Singh's father, Yuvraj Singh, has accused MS Dhoni of destroying his son's cricket career. Yuvraj Singh believes Dhoni should reflect on his actions and has called for Yuvraj to be awarded the Bharat Ratna for his contribution to Indian cricket, including playing with cancer and winning the World Cup. Century maker Liton Das and Mehdi Hasan Miraj lead a Bangladesh fight back in the second test against Pakistan. Liton's attacking 138 including 13 fours and 2 sixes, and Mehdi's impressive 78 propelled Bangladesh to 262 after Pakistan's Khurram Shahzad takes 5 wickets. Pakistan ends the day at 9-2, with an overall lead of 21 runs. Liton and Mehdi counter-attack Shahzad after lunch with a 165-run partnership. Both players keep Pakistan's specialist spinner at bay and take advantage of the absence of Pakistan's third seamer due to dehydration. Liton strikes his 4th Test 102nd against Pakistan. Bangladesh aims to take responsibility as the bowling and fielding side and believes they have good spinners and pacers. Former India captain MS Dhoni spoke about his great bond with Virat Kohli, praising him as one of the best players in international cricket. Dhoni retired from international cricket on 15 August 2020 and their friendship has been celebrated by Indian fans. Dhoni mentored Kohli during his transition as captain, and the two continue to support each other. Kohli has shown respect towards Dhoni, even texting him when he stepped down as Test captain. Pakistan has been awarded the right to host the Champions Trophy 2025, but India is unlikely to participate due to strained political relations. The Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, is expected to urge the ICC to organize the matches in the UAE. Former Indian spinner Harbhajan Singh believes that India should only play in Pakistan if full security is guaranteed. The last time India played in Pakistan was during the 2008 Asia Cup. India captain Rohit Sharma has been praised for his intelligence and game sense by umpire Anil Chaudhary. Chaudhary said that Rohit may seem casual but he is a smart cricketer with a sharp mind. He also mentioned that officiating becomes easy when Rohit is batting as he is either out or not out. Chaudhary recalled Rohit's knock of 264 runs against Sri Lanka in 2013 and said that Rohit may seem lazy but he has a lot of ideas.